I'm only human. This is what I am. I'm only human. This is what I am. Just got out my bed, drenched in sweat. See, I went to bed last night with so much on my chest. Feeling like some days I'm blessed, but some days I'm depressed. But why? Why should I worry when I went on my knees to request a better day? Cause I'm stressed. See, every day, same thing, different quests. Same people, few guests in my life, but more pests in disguise. Thinking in my eyes, truth lies, but knowing my eyes, truth cries. Realize what is wise. As I grow, my youth dies. More supplies, more goodbyes. As I'm cruising, distracted by the skies, focused on my prize. Living life on the crest of the mountain like I got a crest on my helmet. So therefore I ask myself, what is my quest? And if I had the chance, what would be my one request? I wonder cause see, I would say happiness was my quest. Cause I made it my investment, so I did my best. With much sacrifice, my friends were impressed, but my family would protest. But man, I was far too obsessed with with my pursuit of happiness, which made me forget the qualities of being mortal. Today, brothers and sisters, I stand before you, a victim of truth. Cause sometimes I feel like I've been murdered by truth, realizing that the dream of happiness is based on capital. Yeah. So I must observe the subjects, and it is anonymous, that the most well-off are actually the most well-off. So the question begins, how far off am I willing to go? And what road am I willing to take? I don't know. So I ponder on my quest. I wonder why so much on my chest. Quietly to my knees, cause I need peace and rest. Screaming like I were possessed. Then I heard him suggest, I heard him say, he said, work for what you want, settle with what you've got. Put him to the test, and he will not rest till you get what you want. Till you settle with what you've got. Till you put him to the test, you will not rest. What is your quest? Remember. Remember. Remember.